warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Juah-juah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahmin Solin. I'm from Aceh and I'm from class B. Okay, here I will be explain a little about paracetamol. Paracetamol is a medicine to relieve fever and pain, including menstrual pain or toothache. Paracetamol is a drug commonly used by pregnant women, children, and various age groups whose effectiveness is guaranteed. The following is the recommended use of the drug paracetamol. Paracetamol in the form of a liquid syrup can be given to children from the age of 2 months. Paracetamol in any form, including solid tablets, can be given to children from the age of 6 years. Paracetamol in the form of suppositories can be given to children from the age of 2 months. Paracetamol is available in the forms of tablets, syrup, drops, suppositories, and infusions. Okay, that's be a little about paracetamol. Thank you.